BRQS Technologies, Inc. has successfully signed a set of revised licensing agreements with Qualcomm, which includes purchasing the 5G patent licensing agreement. These agreements enable the company to design and manufacture 5G products based on the Qualcomm latest technologies. The proliferation of 5G usage in connection with the Qualcomm 5G platforms will continue to make 5G more robust for adaptations beyond smartphones and extend into home connectivity, computing, industrial equipment, and more. The need to ensure strong, seamless, and uninterrupted connectivity with autonomous vehicles is estimated to drive the adoption of 5G services. Furthermore, robust deployment of 5G network infrastructure is estimated to improve the operational efficiencies in several IoT use cases, including smart homes and smart cities. In some countries, such as the US, China, and Japan, the trend of monitoring energy systems of buildings remotely is rising gradually. This is expected to open new opportunities for rolling out 5G services over the forecast period.